it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today is our inspiration hop for February. Hop along to see all the new designs in the shop. Leave a comment on each video in this hop, and then head on over to my link in the description box to enter into the giveaway. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. This giveaway will run for 1 week. The winner will be posted on my community tab. We are creating with the box of the month for February, and the stamp and die of the month, and the paper pad club. So you'll see different projects throughout this hop. I'm going to share quickly what's in your box of the month for February. You get 3 beautiful stamp sets. We have 2 rainbow themed stamp sets and 1 little birdie stamp set. We've got the stamp set Rainbow Notes, which makes some great bookmarks or little notepads. This one here is called So Tweet. It's got that cute little bird and birdhouse. And then we've got the Boho Rainbow Builder. Have fun with your colored inks and build up your own rainbow. I'm going to share some cards that I created using these stamp sets. Here's one using the So Tweet stamp set. It turned out really, really cute. I love that cute little bird. I made a cute little bookmark that says notes and sending you sunshine and rainbows. Here's 2 cards I created using the Rainbow Builder. It was really fun to use different colored inks, added some glitter, and stamped a sentiment underneath my rainbow. I think it's the perfect spot. Turned out really cute. There's 2 paper pad collections. We've got Tweet, which both of the paper pads have really nice spring colors. We've got beautiful rainbows, patterns of birds and birdhouses. Really, really, really cute. And the Sweet Little Bird collection features really adorable birds. A pink, blue, and yellow palette. And the 2 coordinating ephemera packs are packed full of images that are going to create some really beautiful spring cards. Here's 2 cards that I created with each collection. This one is from the So Tweet collection, and this one's from the Sweet Little Birds. Super adorable and easy and fun to create. If you'd like to see more details with the ephemera and the paper pads, I have some sneak peek videos that share in more detail. You can head on over there and check it out. There is a 6x6 stencil available on the website. This matches perfectly to the Paper Pad Club this month. We've got Sweet Little Bunny and Garden Secrets for our 2 paper pads in the club. With the add-on coordinating ephemera, we've got a beautiful pack of Sweet Little Bunnies to go with your Sweet Little Bunny paper pad here. The stamp and die of the month match perfectly with our Sweet Little Bunny paper pad. So this cute little stamp set is called Happy Spring. We've got a beautiful little bunny, a present, a watering can with some clovers, a little clover, and a patch of grass. Sentiments, good luck, wishing you a day filled with happiness, little hello, happy spring, happy birthday, and happy Shamrock Day. Die for the stamp set does come on a magnetic sheet for easy storage. Our club products ship every month, 30 days from the date you purchase, and you do get an 18% off discount when you subscribe. You are able to purchase the products as a one-time purchase. I also have the papers and the ephemera from the box of the month on sale for individual purchase. Here's 2 cute little boxes that I created using this month's paper pad collections. So I can't wait to see what the design team members came up with. Head on over to the next person on the hop. In the description box, you'll see all the links. You can also use the hashtag in the title of the video. We do have a smaller version. If you're just interested in a smaller version of our box of the month, it's called the Junior Box of the Month. In the Junior Box, you're getting the 2 rainbow stamps and the Tweet collection. I have all links in the description box so you can find everything easy. Take a look at the shop. I just restocked a bunch of paper pads, including the Coffee Latte Art Bundle and our brand new Spring Coffee Bundle. now available. Check that out. Quantities are limited, so they are going fast. Hopefully there's still some up there for you today. Thanks so much for shopping, guys, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.